Cooking in a dirty oven is the last thing you want to do. It's not safe for you. It's not safe for your loved ones. So, in this video, we want to show you how to clean your oven. There are at least 4 ways you can clean your oven. But in this video, we'll show you how to use the self-cleaning feature of your oven. As a rule of thumb, only engage this process if you're sure you are fully at home for the day. It'll take a while to complete. First, be sure to wipe off excess grease and grime from the oven. This will help your oven not to smoke and prevent any form of fire outbreak. Next, remove the oven racks and set them aside. The heat in there may ruin them. Now, press the self-cleaning feature of your oven. This locks your oven until the cleaning is over. Your oven is going to heat up as high as 550 degrees Fahrenheit during the cleaning. The oven should be done in about 2 hours or more. Remember not to wander far from the kitchen in case anything needs your attention. Clean out the residue when the cleaning circle ends. Your oven is ready for fresh recipes and dishes. If you've enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you'll know once we post a new video. Also, drop a comment below so we can know your thoughts. Finally, don't forget to check the description below for more details. Visit our site zimovens.com for more awesome oven-baked ideas like this.